Hi students, today we will study quality factor of forced oscillations. Quality factor Q represent efficiency of the oscillator. Quality factor Q is defined as 2 pi times the ratio of the energy stored to the dissipation of energy in one oscillation. Mathematically, we write Q is equal to 2 pi times energy stored divided by dissipation of energy in one oscillation. Average energy stored in the oscillator is E bar is equal to 1 half m dx by dt bracket square its average plus 1 half kx square its average. Displacement x is given as x is equal to a sine of qt minus phi. Its derivative dx by dt that is equal to a q cos of qt minus phi. Here a is constant, derivative of sine that is cos qt minus phi, again derivative of qt with respect to t, then its derivative is q. Therefore dx by dt is equal to aq cos of qt minus phi, that is equal to velocity. Put the value of dx by dt in energy equation, then we get E bar is equal to 1 half m dx upon dt bracket square. It means a square q square cos of qt minus phi its square, that is cos square qt minus phi. This is 1 half m dx by dt bracket square, take its average, plus 1 half kx square, 1 half k as it is, the value of x a sin qt minus phi its square, it means a square sin square qt minus phi. Here we take the average of sin square qt minus phi. Then put the value of average of cos square qt minus phi. The value of its average is 1 half. Here sin square qt minus phi its average, its value is also half. Put this value in above equation. Then we have E bar is equal to 1 half m a square q square into average value of cos square qt minus phi, that is equal to half, plus 1 half k a square, the value of sin square qt minus phi its average, that is equal to half. Further we get E bar is equal to 1 by 4 m a square q square plus 1 by 4 k a square, where Here put value of k, that is m omega square. Average energy E bar is equal to 1 by 4 m a square as a common inside the bracket q square plus omega square. Average rate of dissipation of energy in one oscillation is given by T into R into dx by dt bracket square its average is equal to T into R a square q square divided by 2. Put this value of rate of dissipation of energy and average energy into quality factor, then we get Q is equal to 2 pi times E bar divided by T into R into dx by dt bracket square its average, that is equal to the value of E, that is 1 by 4 m a square inside the bracket q square plus omega square whole divided by T into R a square q square upon 2 multiply by 2 pi. Then here on simplification a square get cancelled with a square. Here at q is equal to omega, quality factor q is equal to 2 pi upon t into 1 by 4 small m inside the bracket the value of q is equal to omega, then we get omega square plus omega square divided by, here put the value of q square r as it is, this r is here, this t is here, q square value is omega square divided by 2, that is equal to this 2 pi upon t, that is omega, 1 by 4 as it is, m as it is, omega square plus omega square, this is 2 omega square upon r omega square, and here this divided by 2 as it is, this see here 2 pi upon t, its value is omega, 1 by 4 as it is, m as it is, here q square plus omega square, put the value of q square, that is q is equal to omega, that is omega square plus omega square divided by t into r into, here is a t into r, put q square is equal to omega square, here 2 divided by as it is, then 2 pi upon t is equal to omega, 1 by 4 m as it is, 2 omega square, here r omega square upon 2. On simplification we get m omega upon r. This is quality factor for forced oscillation.